Alright, well, here's the next day after the supposed blizzard. It was certainly snowing a lot last night, and it was certainly very windy. But you can sort of see by the top of the gutters here that got maybe 6 inches, maybe. I'm sinking in maybe about that far. But it's really not all that bad. I mean, look on top of the car. It was so windy that almost nothing accumulated on top of the car. That's not even an inch. Not even a half an inch. Doesn't really look a whole lot different than it did last night. Just a little bit thicker. See, my car actually looks kind of like some sort of space-age vehicle. It's so rounded off.